This is my new mini game, Mastermind. You have to guess color codes. Turn it to use more screen space. Customizable to make it easier or harder. Guessing 5 out of 8 colors can be hard. Let's make it easy for a demonstration. Only 3 out of 4 colors in the correct order. Let's try a random code. 2 colors are correct, but on the wrong position. That dark and shiny pin means 1 is on the correct position. Yellow was not the correct one and cannot be part of the code at all. Already 2 on correct positions. Now we can just try out the third color. Yeah, we win!